Hello everybody, SIApps Info here. Hope you are well. Today I will show you how to mention all Facebook friends on your Facebook post. So this is so quick and simple. So let's start. First of all, update your Facebook app from your Play Store or App Store. Then open it. Here you can see the Facebook interface and then go to your any post and then scroll down and choose your any post. I chose my this post. So this is a simple option. Just type @everyone and then your Facebook all friends will be mentioned here. If you press the enter button now, then your all Facebook friends will be notified that you mentioned on this post. So this is a simple method, and I hope you like this video. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. And if you have any problem, then don't forget to comment below. So goodbye.